Looking for a reputable, reliable company you can trust to supply and install new windows and doors for your home? Fed up with broken promises, missed appointments, the all-round feeling of banging your head against a wall trying to find someone who checks all those boxes, or who simply does what they say? Then the next 2 minutes are for you. Because at BetaView Aluminium Windows and Doors, we get it. And we're here to make this process not only easy, but dare we say, even enjoyable. We understand that what you're usually forced to endure when dealing with home renovations and tradesmen can be exhausting, deflating, and leave you feeling defeated. That's why we do things differently. Since 1986, we've been proud to not only offer high-quality, 100% Australian manufactured aluminium windows and doors in a large range of colours and contemporary designs you can't find anywhere else, but to supply peace of mind with the best warranty in the industry, a full 10 years, and a purchase and installation process dedicated to ease and simplicity. It's why we book and confirm a time for your consultation and arrive on time. We even bring our own mobile printer to your home so we can print your quote right on the spot, instead of making you chase us down as some other tradesmen do. It's why we only work with the best expert installers throughout Sydney. It's why we clean up after our work and never leave rubbish behind. It's why we maintain 2 award-winning showrooms where you can touch and feel the products before making your decision. And it's why we're an accredited Australian-made company and members of the Australian Window Association, the HIA, and the Master Builders Association, because we believe in combining the code of ethics for each of those professional bodies and then adding our own higher set of standards. That's how we achieve an end result that leaves you with windows and doors that are not only beautiful and add to the value of your home, but that are vastly more energy efficient, that are more reliable and secure, and better at keeping your family safe, and that keep you more comfortable in your home year-round, even as they help cut your energy bills and save you money. It's this approach that has earned us dozens of glowing reviews from clients who say things like, "I couldn't ask for better service than you gave me," and that their project turned out better than we could have dreamed. Others who say, "I don't believe in trying to chase after the cheapest quote I can get. I look for a reputable company with lots of experience in their field, and I believe BetaView has that expertise. They specialize in what I wanted and didn't let me down," even going so far as to announce that it was one of those rare occasions where you wanted to ask the tradesman to stay for dinner. We're flattered by the praise because we know that window and door replacement projects can try your patience and weigh you down. We strive to make it easy. Contact BetaView Aluminium Windows and Doors today for a free in-home supply and install consultation, and let us help you turn your house into a home.